Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Binance from bank account. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to log into your Binance account. So visit binance.com and log in with your credentials. This is what it looks like. And what you're going to do here is navigate to the deposit section. So on the main dashboard, you can hover to deposit button. And then after that, what you're going to do is you have to select that specific method, a payment method. And so if you don't have crypto assets, you can select from the following options. But of course, we're going to transfer via bank transfer. So we're going to select the very first option here, buy with SEK. So tap this one, and then you have to make sure that you have enough balance to your account, or make sure your bank supports the currency you are selecting. So, of course, you can now choose the currency you want to deposit. Let's just say USD, UR, GBP, and etc. Now select bank transfer as deposit method. Under the deposit tab, select bank transfer as your method of payment, depending on your region, of course. So different methods may be available, such as faster payments or SEPA, transfer for Europe, SWIFT for international transfers, ACH for US banks. Now enter the deposit amount, input the amount you want to deposit in your chosen currency. After that, Binance will provide specific bank account details and a reference code. Ensure you use the reference code when making the transfer from your bank. So, you need to complete the bank transfer. Usually, you will see this notification. Sometimes it depends on the region and bank account. So, log into your bank account via online banking or your bank's application and set up the transfer using the bank details provided by Binance. Make sure you enter the exact amount and reference code to avoid any delays. Now, you have to wait for the deposit to reflect. The processing time may vary depending on the payment method. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few business days. Once the funds are deposited, you'll see the balance updated in your Binance account. You can now start trading or use the funds. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.